Welcome back to Sister Circle Live. February is not just Black History Month, but it is Heart Health Month, and we cannot let the month go by without discussing how our diets play a role in having a healthy heart. Please welcome to our show, Culinary Doctor Lauren Powell. Yay!
Thank you so much for having me.
Dr. Powell, can I just say that I love the fact that you are a culinary doctor.
Thank you.
See, a lot of people don't understand that what we eat is very, very important in facilitating optimal health. Now, why did you choose this concentration? You are a certified family board health.
Board certified family medicine physician.
There you go. Jeez Louise. So you're already, you're an MD, but
yes.
Why do you incorporate what we eat? Why is that important?
Sure. So food is so important. So my dad actually had a stroke a couple of years ago, and it really changed what I valued in medicine.
Yes.
And I realized that we give people pills that we're not always getting to the root of their illness, that being their poor diet. So I just became very passionate about making sure patients understand the role that food is playing in their health, because there is definitely a connection, and a lot of people just, they don't know, and it's really confusing. Do I eat meat? Do I not eat meat? Is carbs bad? Is it good? What? So I try to make it clear for patients.
So why is the heart the concentration? You know what I'm saying? It's like, it seems like such an epidemic throughout all races, cultures, and ages.
Right. Well, I mean, heart disease is the #1 killer no matter what race you are.
Exactly.
But the thing about heart disease is that a lot of times people don't know they have heart disease until something bad happens.
Wow.
And at that point, it's just too late, right? So it's too late once you've had a stroke, because now we're trying to prevent you from just having another one.
Right.
So it's all about how do we keep our heart healthy so that something bad doesn't happen.
Now, speaking of preventative, you have created recipes that help facilitate healthy hearts. What are we making today? Because it looks very good.
Try to keep it super, super simple. So everybody loves spaghetti, right? I mean, everybody and their mama can love and enjoy and appreciate
a good pasta dish.
Some spaghetti. So I wanted to just show how to make it super heart healthy. And when we talk about heart healthy, we have to talk about fats, so saturated fats, trans fats, and we have to talk about fiber. So this solves all those questions.
All good stuff. So good fat.
Good fat.
Because a lot of people think that fat is going to make me fat, and actually going to make me have a bad time. But actually, fat actually helps burn fat and is good for the heart.
Right. It's healthy fat. So like olive oil, which is one of the ingredients, that's full of polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are our good fats, which actually help our heart. So I'll go ahead and let you put some onions in here.
Cool.
So we're going to keep this super easy.
Can I did antibacterial. Let's just keep it moving. Okay, here we go.
And so I've got 3 different kinds of carrots.
All of it? Okay.
Yeah, we can just do it all. So I've got 3 different types of carrots. Carrots are super great. They're full of vitamins and minerals. And they've got antioxidants. If you could just put a little bit of salt in here. Sea salt. Sea salt.
Sea salt. Sea salt.
So I love coarse seasoning.
I love more sea salt. I just really
go
like
ahead.
Okay, and then this
so that's a little bit of black pepper. That's some coarse black pepper.
We can add black pepper down to the mixture.
Beautiful. This is looking great already.
It is I love the colors.
I know.
Now, what is this?
So that's just a little bit of Italian seasoning. So that's some basil and some rosemary. Yep, so you can put that in there.
Rosemary. Now, do you use fresh herbs?
Oh my God.
Important to use organic and fresh herbs for heart health?
I love fresh herbs. And, a little bit of cayenne. That's if you like it spicy. That's if you like it spicy.
Cayenne, okay.
And so what's great is when you use flavors and herbs, it helps you minimize your sodium use. So we want to watch salt. Okay, so we've got our wonderful dish. So now I'm going to go ahead and add our sauce. So this is homemade sauce that I made yesterday.
And why homemade?
So the thing is, when you buy sauce from the grocery store in the jar, a lot of times there's a ton of sugar and there is a ton of sodium that you just don't need. So you don't think about sauce when you think about sugar, but the average jar of sauce in a quarter cup has 8 grams of sugar.
Can you talk to us a little bit about exactly what salt does? Because it actually it raises blood pressure, which is detrimental to heart health.
Right. So what sodium does is it attracts water. So when you eat a bunch of salt, you got salt now walking around in your blood vessels, and that's bringing in water, and so that's how you have increased pressure in your blood vessels.
Got it. Okay.
So one of the important ingredients is these noodles, which are made out of chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
So this is heart healthy because #1, it's chickpeas, which means it has 13 grams of fiber. And 1 serving and 25 grams of protein. So that's
and it has omegas too, right? Chickpeas.
Yeah, healthy. So this is way better than any of the wheat or flour noodles that you could eat.
I'm going to try these because I usually use gluten-free, and sometimes I don't like the way they taste because they break up in the sauce.
I don't really like gluten-free.
Yeah, I'm changing. I'm going down to the chickpeas. Now, can we use, this is penne pasta, obviously, so can we use spaghetti, fettuccine? Does it matter what
your
type
heart
of pasta?
desires. Yeah, it's really about what they're made out of. It's really about what they're made out of. So now that this is all kind of mixed together, this is the most important step.
Yes.
This is the most important step.
Okay.
And
Hi,
this,
girls.
hey. Good, how are you?
I'm going to be better
love for you
once I
guys
taste this. Can I taste it now?
You can taste it. This is all warm. And so we'll go ahead and taste.
Trina?
But the most important step, Dr. Powell.
So is you let it simmer, but while it simmers, you have to do the simmer dance.
Oh,
Okay, what is the simmer dance?
Simmer
Now we got all the
dance.
people.
Okay, it goes.
Let me get my plate there.
Oh, let me get you. I'm sorry. The one who was in the
I
segment.
had did the work.
Right. So it's simmer, 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 simmer. Okay, yeah, that's it. And it makes your food taste better, I promise.
Oh, does it? Okay.
It makes it taste better.
This is amazing. Oh my God.
And you see
Oh
this.
my God, and then we can sprinkle a little piece of cheese.
Oh yeah, I got some fresh Parmesan for you all.
Parmesan.
Yes, thank you.
So
delicious.
There's no meat and full of vegetables.
I love the
full of fiber.
Yes, full of fiber.
I love the crunchiness mixed with the sauce.
Yeah,
nice.
The sauce is pretty
It's
sweet.
the bomb.
Yeah. So the carrots also make it sweet because carrots are sweet. So I sweeten my sauce with honey, just a little bit of honey is all you need. I don't add any white sugar or anything, brown sugar, nothing like that.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Lauren, so much for being here. For more tips on how to live your best life, honey, and maintain a healthy heart, pick up a copy of her book, Food Essentials for the Busy Professional, at drlaurenpowell.com. Up next, we meet 4 brothers who are enjoying sweet success. They're so cute. Cookie Muggles, the Yummy Brothers are next.